Students, welcome to online classes. Dear students, in today's class we are going to discuss problems on leverages. Before going to discuss problems on leverage, I would like to review the formulas for calculation of leverages. See, before going to calculation of leverages, basically three important leverages. The first one is operating leverages, and second one is financial leverage, and third one is what? Combined leverage. As per Anichandra University, these are the three important leverages. And what is the formula to calculate the operating leverage? See, operating leverage is equal to contribution divided by operating profit. Dear students, to calculate the operating leverage, contribution divided by operating profit is very important. But these both informations are not directly available in the problem. So first we have to identify the EBIT, and also we have to find out the contribution. Then only we have to calculate what operating leverage. So in the previous class I said, so this chart is very important to calculate the all operating, financial and combined leverages. So we should keep these all, this is a format in your mind. And next, what is the formula to calculate financial leverage? EBIT divided by PBT. And what is the formula to calculate combined leverage? Basically three types of formula. So based on the given information which is relevant to that, we have to be use it. So best is what? Combined leverage is equal to operating leverage into financial leverage. Let us take an example. Vasant Company Limited provides the following information: calculate operating leverage. It means as per this problem, they are going to asking you calculate only operating leverage. So then what is the formula for operating leverage? So operating leverage is equal to that is contribution divided by that is EBIT. Is it right or not? Yes. Yes. Formula for operating leverage is what? Operating leverage is equal to contribution divided by EBIT. Okay. So then we are not have contribution also. We don't know EBIT also. So first we have to calculate contribution. Then we have to again identify what EBIT. So then how we are going to contribute? How we are going to identification of contribution? Sales minus variable cost, we will get a contribution. Again contribution minus fixed cost, then we will get a EBIT. Okay. So let's read the problem. They are given sales 75,000 at the rate of 15 each, and variable cost is what? 5 rupee per kg, and fixed cost is what? 2,50,000. So first we have to identify the necessary information. So first we have to calculate sales into cost per unit. Okay, sales is what? 75,000 into cost per is 15 rupees is equal to 11,25,000. In that less variable cost, VC, variable cost. So then number of units 75,000 into the variable cost per unit is what? 5 rupees. It is 3,75,000. So 11,25,000 minus 3,75,000, we will get 7,50,000 is what? A contribution. So please take it. Contribution is what? 7,50,000. So next contribution is 7,50,000. So in that we have to minus fixed cost. So fixed cost is given the problem, that is 2,50,000. Yes, 2,50,000, and finally is what? 5 lakh. The 5 lakh rupees is EBIT, is nothing but operating profit. So now what is the requirement to calculation of operating profit? Operating profit is equal to contribution divided by EBIT. Yes, we have a contribution also, we have a EBIT. So let us simplify the formula. Operating profit leverage is equal to contribution divided by EBIT. See, contribution is we already calculated, that is 7,50,000 divided by that EBIT is what? 5 lakh rupees. The answer is 5 times. See, operating profit is answer is what? 5 times. But most important is Before going to calculate operating leverage, financial leverage or combined leverage, the most important is what? Identification of the hidden information. For example, contribution, fixed cost, EBIT, PBT and PAT. So these are the very important. So let us move to the another problem. The following the figures relating to two companies. So here they are given two company information, the company A and company B. See, the company A sales is 50 and company B sales is 1 lakh. Variable cost for company A is 20 and 30,000. Fixed cost is 15,000 for company A. Company B is what? 40,000 is given in the information. Next, interest is what? 5,000 and 10,000. Next, they are going to asking you, you are required to calculate operating, financial and combined leverages for the two companies. It means for A company, we have to calculate operating profit, operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage. In the same way, we have to calculate operating, financial and combined leverage for a B company also. As you know already, so what are the formula to calculate operating profit, operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage. So first we have to identify what are the necessary information to calculate the leverages. Yes. So this is, I already done that calculation. This is working note. We have to make it a two companies operating profit, financial leverage and combined leverage. So first make it a working note. First we have to take it as sales. And in that sales we have to minus variable cost, then we will get it a contribution. So in that contribution we have to minus a fixed cost. After minus fixed cost we will get it a EBIT for company A and company B. So in that again we are going to less interest. After lessing the interest we will get a profit before tax. Company A is 10,000, company B is what? 20,000. Let us move to the calculation of operating leverage for company A and company B. What is the formula for operating leverage? Contribution divided by EBIT. And what is the contribution of company A? 30,000 and EBIT is what? 15,000. 30,000 divided by 15,000, operating leverage is what? 2 times. In the same way, company B contribution is 70,000 and EBIT is what? 30,000. 70,000 divided by 30,000, the operating profit for B company 2.33 times. We will move to the next, financial leverage. What is the formula to calculate the financial leverage? EBIT divided by PBT. So whatever the required information we already note down it. That EBIT is what? Company A 15,000 and PBT for company A is 10,000. The answer for financial leverage is 1.5 times. And the financial leverage for company B is what? The EBIT is 30,000 and PBT is what? 20,000. 30 by 20. The answer for financial leverage company B is 1.5 times. And we move to the one more leverage, that is combined leverage, third one. Operating leverage into financial leverage. See, operating leverage for company is what? 2. And again financial leverage for company A, 2 into 1.5, that is 3 times. And in the same way, operating leverage company B 2.33 and financial leverage of company B is 1.5. Multiplication of both, we will get a combined leverage is what? 3.5 times for the company B. So this is a way of calculation of the different type of leverages. As I told you, most important is what? To calculate the leverages. Identification of the hidden information is very important, like contribution, variable cost, fixed cost, interest, PBT, EBIT, PAT. So these are very important. So if you clearly understood the theoretical concept, there is no difficult to calculation of leverages. Thank you. We will meet in the next class with a different problem.